Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today we've got a sky-high showdown between two drones that'll make you feel like you're piloting your own mini spacecraft. On the left, we have the budget-friendly ATTOP drone, and on the right, the feature-packed Potensic ATTOP SE GPS drone. Buckle up, because this comparison is about to take off. First up, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p camera and a 120 degrees FOV. Perfect for capturing those "I swear I'm a professional photographer" moments. But hold on to your propellers, because the Potensic ATTOP SE boasts a 4K camera with a Sony sensor. That's right, folks, 4K. It's like comparing a potato to a Picasso. Reviewers agree that while the ATTOP's camera is decent for its price, the Potensic's 4K quality is unmatched and truly professional grade. Next, battery life. The ATTOP drone comes with three 1,100 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But wait, the Potensic ATTOP SE swoops in with two 2,500 mAh batteries, offering a whopping 62 minutes of flight time. That's enough to fly to the store, grab a snack, and fly back. Reviewers note that while the ATTOP's battery life is short, it's still fun for quick flights. Meanwhile, Potensic's long-lasting battery is a major selling point for extended adventures. Now let's talk controls and features. The ATTOP drone has some neat tricks up its sleeve with voice control, gesture recognition, and even a 360 degrees flip. Sounds like a party trick, right? Hey, look what my drone can do! But the Potensic ATTOP SE is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It comes with GPS auto return, follow me mode, waypoint flight, and circle flight. Plus, it can resist level 5 winds. Reviews highlight that while the ATTOP is fun and easy to use, the Potensic offers advanced features that make it versatile and reliable in various conditions. And now, the moment of truth. The price. The ATTOP drone is a steal at $109. It's like the dollar store of drones. Meanwhile, the Potensic ATTOP SE comes in at $299. That's right, folks, it's 3 times the price, but also 3 times the awesome. Reviewers generally agree that the ATTOP is great value for its price, especially for beginners, while the Potensic, though pricier, offers exceptional quality and features that justify the cost. Based on Amazon reviews, the ATTOP drone is praised for being easy to use, resilient, and budget-friendly. But it has some issues with malfunctioning parts and short battery life. On the other hand, the Potensic ATTOP SE GPS drone receives high marks for its camera quality, advanced features, and long battery life, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users. There you have it, smart shoppers. The ATTOP drone is great for beginners and budget-conscious flyers, while the Potensic ATTOP SE is for those who want all the bells and whistles. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a flight with Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying! And remember, folks, if your drone ends up in a tree, it's not the drone's fault. It's definitely user error. Fly safe. Product links are in the description.